You will be surprised when the Anthurium I grow at home is as beautiful as the one grown at the nursery. Growing Anthurium is not difficult. As long as you take care of it properly, you can grow many beautiful Anthurium plants. Please watch this video of mine. Today, I will guide you how to plant and care for red taro plants step by step to have a beautiful red taro plant like grown in a nursery. If you find my videos interesting and meaningful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Today, I will plant Anthurium from the root of Anthurium. I will wash the Anthurium root and cut off the rotten roots. I will mash the tomatoes and then soak the Anthurium in it. After 3 hours of soaking, the plant has absorbed all the water. Soaking the plant like this helps the plant absorb nutrients from the tomato juice, helping the plant to quickly take root and germinate faster when planted. After planting, I will use this pure water to water the seedlings to help the plants have high humidity and help the plants absorb nutrients from this water. To keep the plant moist, I will spread a layer of rice husks on top. Now that the plant has taken root and is growing, I will mix aloe vera with molasses to water the plant. Molasses helps the plant fight off stem borers, while aloe vera helps the plant become stronger and grow faster. At this stage, the tree is growing very healthy. I water it to keep it moist. I will use multi-purpose paper towels to wipe the leaves so that the water soaks into the leaves, which will keep the leaves greener. After a short time with proper planting and fertilization, I had a beautiful flamingo flower to decorate the living room. If you find my videos interesting and meaningful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Goodbye and see you again.